Good morning, this is Lynda Cromar back in the Power Blog, and I wanted to point out some things for you that will, I'm sure, help. I'm going to go into my posts now and show you something. I created a post as a draft. In fact, I think I have more than one, but this one I set up to be today's content so that I don't have to struggle to put it together, because that's important actually in business, to kind of be a little bit ahead with your content, because if you are ahead it really helps. So today, in fact, that was set up to go yesterday, but I can put something else in yesterday's content. So I'm going to go ahead and come into this post, which is it's showing that because of the fact that I use Divi Builder. So let it populate the real content. Come on, hello. I don't know why it's doing that anyway. I have a really good piece here, and I didn't put all that stuff there. Let's close this and start over.